Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing video. I have this small box from GBO uh, Katina, and let's see what's inside. Okay. I can't do this with one hand. Okay, here we go. This is Grammatophyllum compactum. Here's the ID tag. And this variety does not really grow that big like the usual Grammatophyllum. This only reached the size of this one. This is the blooming size, and it only flowers like the inflorescence reach about half a meter or less. So it's great for space uh, savers, those collectors that have no space in their garden or have small gardens. So yeah, I bought two of them. They're really small, they're really cute. So that's all.